What is NetSuite? NetSuite is a suite of software applications that can be used collectively to run and manage the entire business. This representation of a business depicts many types of technologies that could be utilized. Let's take a detailed look at how NetSuite could be used to effectively manage and expand the business. NetSuite applications are powered from the Internet and do not require any software to be installed. Multiple users can access the system at the same time, and all information is stored in a central database. NetSuite provides complete financials and accounting functions such as customer invoicing and payments, vendor bills and checks, as well as real-time reports. NetSuite includes a complete customer relationship management solution, giving a 360-degree view of the customer, including the tracking of quotes, sales orders, customer returns, and support cases. NetSuite incorporates a supply management, inventory, manufacturing, and distribution solution, ensuring that items are delivered on time across multiple time zones and continents. NetSuite has a complete professional services support feature that helps consulting groups and teams with their project management, bid process, time tracking, and billing customers. NetSuite has a fully integrated business-to-consumer and business-to-business web and e-commerce platform that provides robust web experiences for customers and partners. NetSuite has a comprehensive human resources solution for hiring, onboarding, and managing employees, including time logging, payroll, time off requests, and managing job openings. NetSuite's marketing automation software automates the entire marketing process that results in generating highly qualified leads that are ready for the sales team. NetSuite has an open architecture allowing partners to develop hundreds of add-on applications which can be purchased to add additional functionality to NetSuite or to integrate with other systems. NetSuite is used by more than 40,000 companies in 160 countries with an intuitive user interface that empowers communications in over 19 languages. NetSuite streamlines multi-subsidiary operations and provides real-time operational and financial visibility at the local, regional, and headquarter levels. NetSuite supports over 190 currencies, enabling worldwide transactions and seamless currency conversions. NetSuite can manage a complete range of international tax structures and compliance for more than 50 countries. NetSuite is a division of Oracle and is supported by the Oracle Worldwide Network of Professionals and Resources. NetSuite's suite of software applications have helped more than 40,000 companies around the world successfully manage and expand their enterprise.